your attitude and approach to nature, your philosophy and your experience. And this is important, as I mentioned about the rifle. If your attitude is, I'm going to have my rifle, it makes me a superhero, I'm a big deal. You started off wrong. Okay? All right? You need to have an attitude that is soft and a bit more, inclusive, and have empathy towards the animals you with. Because we are putting ourselves into the environment and potentially endangering them by carrying that weapon. Okay? Because our behavior results in their reaction to us, therefore, and we have the ability to shoot them. It's just, you have to be aware of that.